Hi, lovely people. So it's your number one RN Glory right here once again. And I'm really privileged to come your way again with my series on all the Board of Nursing and their requirements, most especially those that are international nursing friendly. So if I am new to you, I am RN Glory. I was an international nurse from Ghana. I trained in Ghana and I use my license in Ghana to write NCLEX and currently working in the United States. I am the CEO of K&A Firm. So if you have any NCLEX challenges, just reach out to us at knafirm.com and we will be able to sort you up. Easy peasy. All right. So today I come your way with the New York Board of Nursing. So did you know that without you having a license, you will be able to register with the New York Board of Nursing? Yes, I mean that. So this process, it's a great opportunity for new graduate nurses all over the world, especially those that are from Ghana, that after you have written your license and exams with the NMC Ghana, you have to do your national service or what we call the rotation before you acquire your license. And I know a lot of you new graduate nurses have the desire to come work in the United States. And because of that, this process is a genuine, great opportunity for you. You don't have to wait 1 year before you get your license to enroll on this route. So what you do is the New York Board of Nursing have a direct evaluation service which will not require your license. If you're a new grad, this is the pathway for you. You can reach out to us and we'll be able to help you. Not just new grads, but also international nurses from Ghana who have relocated to the United States already and probably do not have their PIN renewed yearly anymore. Or sometimes some of those that have been able to relocate to the US did not actually even write their license and exams. This is because the opportunity came and they helped onto it, and because of that they didn't get their license. I tell you that the door is not closed to you. We are here to help you out. Now I can run you through the requirements of the New York Board of Nursing, and then we can take it from there. So first of all, what you have to do is you register with the New York Board of Nursing, and their price is $143. Before you do this registration with New York Board of Nursing, New York Board of Nursing require you to have some kind of certifications with child abuse and then infection control. So with these certifications, you will be able to get these courses readily available online. You just have to pay for it. So between the price of $45 up until $99, you can get these two courses to do. If you want a link to those courses, you can reach out or you can look down below and you will get it. Or even on the New York Board of Nursing, you will be able to get access to this courses readily available. Okay, so you pay for the courses, you do the courses, you run through every course, and then you get your certificate at the end of the day. Once you get your certificate, then you are set to start with your board registration. You register with the New York Board of Nursing. If you have not watched the full video on how to do this process yourself, it is on my YouTube, K&A RN. You can go watch it step by step how to actually do this yourself. So once you register, you pay your $143 for the New York Board of Nursing. You would be required to put in these certifications that I mentioned that you need a certificate for. You put it in and then you are good to go. Now, once you are done with that, you have to do your evaluation directly with the New York Board of Nursing. So there is a catch, which is the advantage is that because you are doing the evaluation with New York Board of Nursing directly, you wouldn't need your license to do that. That is if you did not write your license or you've not acquired your license yet, right? So they give you that opportunity or that open option because they know that Sometimes we go through school and we are not able to acquire a license for the country, maybe because we had to travel, or maybe because an opportunity came, we had to grab it. So that is the option for you. I believe this is a great opportunity for new graduate nurses, and it is very cost effective with just an amount of about 2,500 cedis. You should be able to start this process easy peasy. If you are finding any challenges that you think you will need assistance, you will need guidance, you need coaching, the K&A firm is readily available to take you up and do that for you. Reach out to us on knafirm.com. Go to our website. We are doing a promotion of free consultation, and free does not mean free. It's just $2.99, which is less than $50, 50 cedis. You can book consultation with us. We will walk you through the entire process. If for any reason you would want us to take you up and coach you throughout, we are here to help you. It is our sole desire to move a lot of the nurses who are unemployed in Ghana, who are even employed, na yenti omuka for 10 months no. We desire ne say obadia. Yes, we will desire to help you out. Thank you for watching this video. I am doing a series on all the international nurse friendly boards. So in case you decide on a board, revisit this page and utilize it. We are on Facebook K&A Firm. We are on TikTok K&A RN and YouTube K&A RN. Thank you for watching and subscribe to this channel.